Are you fed up of error code 524 while playing Roblox game? Don't fret and let's go through this video guide to know the best fixes for not authorized to join this game. Error code 524 on Roblox. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Change invitation settings. First, open Roblox game page. Then, tap on gear icon on game's thumbnail. Now, choose privacy. Next, open other settings option. Here, select everyone under invitation settings to join game. Lastly, save the change. Method 2. Check your account age. There are several Roblox servers that avoid new players to play. It means your account should be at least 1 month old. You should check your email about the date of your account creation to verify the age. Method 3. Check Roblox servers. When servers are down of Roblox app, you can encounter error code 524. You cannot do anything except to wait. You can check about the current status by visiting Down Detector website or official Twitter handle. Method 4. Clear browser cookies and cache. Open web browser, tap on Settings. Now, go to Settings or Options. Search for Privacy and Security. Look for Clear Browsing Data, Cookies, and Cached Images and Files option. Choose as needed, click on Clear Data. Method 5. Reinstall Roblox. First, open Google Play Store, tap Manage Apps and Device. Now, check for Roblox app from the list of installed apps. Open and tap on Uninstall option. Next, open Google Play Store, search for Roblox app. Click on Install option. Method 6. Disable AdBlock and other extensions. First, open browser settings. Go to Extensions or Add-ons. Find AdBlock along with other extensions that are linked with Roblox. Turn off these extensions or click on Remove button. Finally, restart browser.